Hi everybody, Melanie Doty Snipes here for another episode of chick hatching in the living room here at Snipes Farm and Education Center. So it's a super special day because we've actually stopped turning the eggs. So out of the 21 days, the last 3 underneath the hen would be very quiet and still days. The hen would actually not get up to eat or drink in those 3 days. So, since the incubator is our hen, we will not turn the eggs for these last 3 days, and they will begin to hatch Sunday, but for sure on Monday. So, the important job that we have today is to add a little more water to the incubator. So inside the egg, think about what is inside an egg when you just pull the carton out of your refrigerator and you're getting ready to make your pancakes or your scrambled eggs. So what's in there? We have 2 main things, the yolk and the white, right? And so little by little by little, the baby chick has grown from teeny weeny, itsy bitsy, just a little dot, to taking up almost the entire space inside that egg. And what do you think it's been doing with the yolk and the white? If you guessed, eating it. It's fantastic. That has been the food for this baby chick. And you know, if you think about that, the yolk and the white, they're like a liquid, really. And so they're more of a solid liquid than water vapor. But when that has decreased and the bird itself has increased, one thing that happens is that a very small air pocket that it has to start with at the round end of the egg grows and grows. And when the baby chicks are ready to hatch, they're going to need a little more oxygen because they're going to be working hard, pecking their way out of the egg. So, so air and water kind of work together. When we breathe in, we're breathing in water vapor in the air. When we breathe out, you can hold your hand and feel, you know, not just, you can feel some vapor. So they kind of work hand in hand. So today, what we're going to do, now we're being very still and quiet because we're not going to turn the eggs. And we've made sure that it's 100 degrees on the nose. And we're going to add a little bit more water to the number 1 track as we've been doing every day. And now we're going to add water to the number 2 track so that they have a little bit more of a kind of humid environment, adding some nice moist air into that air pocket. All right, thermometer goes back on, and we say, have a wonderful, quiet day of gearing up for the big day of hatching. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next episode of Hatching Chicks in a Living Room here at Snipes Farm.